The question is bound to run through your mind at some point. Should I go back to school? In this video, we're discussing some potential signs that you should. Keep watching. You're at a dead end. The primary reason that people attend college is to take steps out of their current situation. You may have had some grand plans that didn't pan out, and that's totally okay. Attending college is a great way to carve out a new path when the current one seems to be running short. Take a look at your next 5 years. Are you going to be at a place you're happy with? If the answer is no, you may be ready to try your hand at school. You're restless. Does it feel like you're spinning your wheels? Are you getting irritated with your situation and the people around you? Want to jump ship and leave town? These may be signs that you're restless and that you need something to put your energy into. School is a very productive outlet for that kind of feeling. You're more responsible. It's absurd that young adults are expected to leave the house and enter a world full of hard deadlines and high expectations. School is expensive, and running the risk of blowing it all because of irresponsibility and partying is unwise. If you got a few years of adulthood under your belt and you can handle your responsibilities, that's a great sign that you could be very successful in school. Finances. While many people talk about going to school only to be jobless, there are certain programs with extremely high job placement rates. With a little research and planning, you'll find that there are affordable programs that will get you a job quickly and start padding your pocketbooks shortly after graduation. You have a passion. If you have something that you're truly passionate about, why not take that skill to the next level? Whether you have an interest in creating art, designing furniture, or researching specific subjects, there's no reason not to pursue your passion. It takes a few years for adults to find what they're really interested in, but there are programs to take once you've found your area of focus. You've already started. Sometimes actual life steps in the way and we have to put our academics to the side. Many people have to drop out after a few years and thousands of dollars worth of study. If you have the credits in place already, why not go back and finish them off? While it may be expensive now, that's an investment that will certainly pay itself off in the long run. Excited to learn. If you're actually interested in learning again, that's an excellent sign. Most people consider school to be something that is stressful, difficult, and burdensome. When your brain is getting pumped about sitting down to learn, that means you're going to be engaged, successful, and happy. Having a child. A child can really throw a beautiful wrench in your long and short-term plans. You may be doing fine on your current hourly wage, but a salary with insurance benefits is a lot better suited to support a child or two. There are programs at technical colleges that take fewer than 1 or 2 years to complete and lead to reliable, well-paying jobs after graduation. We're here to help. If you need information or help to get back into school, explore our site for the resources and inspiration you're looking for. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.